beach always gives us a sense of openness, something we don't really feel when we live in cities. Going to a beach is fun, relaxing, and soothing. There is nothing like the sounds of waves crashing the shore. But there are some beaches that can prove to be dangerous. Today, we are going to talk about some of these most dangerous beaches in the world, part 3. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, I will link it up here. You can go and check it out. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Dubai Beaches, UAE. Dubai is not only known for its architecture and technology, but also for a wide range of activities offered to tourists. Beaches, however, are a must visit because of its glistening waters. In recent years, officials have warned beachgoers as the city's beaches have been reported to have high levels of mercury, which is toxic to living beings. Tides could also get rough, causing fatalities. Gulf of Eilat, Israel. Eilat's main attraction is the glimmering sea, filled with some of the world's best aquatic life. The Red Sea is one of the best places in the world for underwater activities such as snorkeling, diving, and other water sports. The area has been a victim to strong northwesterly winds, which can result in people being swept out in the open sea into the Gulf of Eilat. The seabed also has sharp transitions, moving from shallow to deep. This means that there is deep water quite close to the beach. West Coast, Barbados. The west coast of Barbados is often referred to as Platinum Coast due to its golden sand and clear warm water. The coastline of Barbados is the ideal place for swimming, snorkeling, or relaxing, giving yourself the ultimate beach retreat. The west coast is generally less crowded and more laid back. However, caution is advised to tourists when it comes to swimming. Locals stay clear of swimming in these beaches because of its infamous strong currents and riptide in the west coast prove to be fatal. Tourists should exercise precaution against petty crimes and armed thieves. Haina Beach, Dominican Republic. Bajos de Haina, mostly known simply as Haina, is a town and municipality in San Cristobal province of the Dominican Republic. Haina is also known as Bajos de Haina, has been referred to as the Dominican Chernobyl. A lead-acid battery recycling center left the community of Haina exposed to lead poisoning and toxic waste. Thus, beaches in Haina have been declared hazardous by the authorities as large amounts of industrial waste have been dumped into them. 4. Cannon Beach, Oregon. Cannon Beach is a small coastal city in northwestern Oregon. It's known for its long, sandy shore. It is named one of the world's 100 most beautiful places by National Geographic. Recently, the authorities have deemed this beach as dangerous and unsafe. Levels of fecal bacteria have been found in the ocean waters at Tolowana State Park. They stated that people should avoid direct contact with the ocean or pools of water on the beach, wading in nearby creeks, and water runoff flowing into the ocean. Gris Gris Beach, Mauritius. Gris Gris Beach is located in the extreme south of the island of Mauritius. This beach shows beauty and danger at the same time. Gris Gris Beach is considered one of the most dangerous beaches in the island nation of Mauritius. Gris Gris Beach is not protected by coral reefs, which often serve to lessen the force of waves and strong currents. Hence, large waves break against the rocks with powerful force. Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. Port Moresby is the expanding capital of Papua New Guinea, a country north of Australia. It is known for its tropical climate, beautiful natural scenery, lively festivals, and diverse population. Although the people here thrive on land, but something else thrives in the waters of Port Moresby. The waters are heavily infested with sharks and this capital unfortunately has 50% mortality rate when it comes to shark attacks. This beach is also infamous for its high crime rate, especially after sunset. Dumas, India. Dumas Beach is a rural beach along the Arabian Sea located 21 kilometers southwest of the city of Surat in the Indian state of Gujarat. This beach is also famous for its black sand. This place was originally a cremation ground and it is said to be haunted by spirits. It also has a reputation for people disappearing and is home to a group of deadly king cobras, making it one of the deadliest beaches as well. This beach also has some strong undercurrents, having an unpredictable nature which can pull people deep into the sea. All these factors prepare a deadly blend of danger. Recife, Brazil. Recife, the capital of Brazil's northwestern state of Pernambuco. This place has beautiful white sand beaches with spectacular views. This beach has shark-infested water. This place not only has the most but also the deadliest shark attack in the world. The reason for the high shark attack mortality are the bull sharks that lurk in the Recife water. According to CNN, between 1992 and 2013, 40% of attacks occurred at Boa Viagem Beach. Unsurprisingly, it's now considered one of the most dangerous beaches in the world. It also has notorious crime rates, including after-dark activities. It is not recommended to walk here alone at night. Uttaklev Beach, Norway. Uttaklev Beach sits on the Lofoten Islands off of Norway. The beaches here are not only spectacularly beautiful but also extremely dangerous. Norway's Lofoten Islands are striking, having some of the best spots from which one can catch the northern lights. The danger doesn't lie in the marine life or pollutants, but in its temperature. The islands, which lie north of the Arctic Circle, are surrounded by waters that are between 7 degrees to 13 degrees Celsius. The weather here is unpredictable and can change within a few minutes.